it's Marissa.
And Shauna.
It's been a hot minute. Mm-hmm. At least for long form. I feel like we upload so many like YouTube shorts though.
So we know we have not posted a long form video in a very long time because we've been focusing more on short form, but we are back because we have a very big announcement for you guys, which
very
is...
big announcement. We wrote a book! Yay! This has been like so many years in the process, so I feel like it's like the fact that it's finally available for pre-orders just like blows my mind.
We've been working on this for literally years. That's how long it takes to get a book published.
So our book is called Attention is the New Currency, the ultimate guide to standing out and getting paid on social media. And I feel like our book is not just gonna be helpful if you're an influencer or even trying to be an influencer. Like if you've ever posted any sort of like content on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, oh well, I guess it's called X now, YouTube, anywhere.
One thing we talk about in the book is how nowadays everyone has a digital footprint of who they are, where they've been, what they've done online. You just can't escape it. So whether you're trying to be a professional influencer or you're just trying to maximize your digital footprint, our book will teach you how. It goes over everything from setting your goals, to how to post videos, to, setting your boundaries, working with brands, making money.
I feel like I've received so many messages over the years from people who are like, oh, I saw you got this for free. Oh, I saw you got to go to that premiere. I saw you got this cool opportunity. Like, how can I get to go to that? And they have like a couple thousand followers. And I'm like, you have plenty of followers. Like, you could totally go to that. So I feel like this book really breaks down exactly how to get opportunities, whether you want like cool free PR, whether you want to go to a cool event, whether you want to like make friends and collab with other creators, or make money, start a business, or maybe you already have a business, like maybe you have like a bakery, or you're trying to like make a movie or a short film or something, or you're a film student or whatever your dream or passion is. This kind of shows you how to use social media to your advantage so you can get exactly what you want.
Our book is a practical, real-world guide to creating a profitable social media presence, because ultimately I think that's what a lot of people want and a lot of people are striving for. And Marissa and I have been in this space for a very long time. We've been making videos on YouTube since 2012, and we're active on all of the other platforms. And I don't know, we've just been able to do a lot of incredible things with this platform, and we've learned so much along the way. This is sort of the book that I wish we had read when we were first starting out, because it would have saved us from making so many mistakes, so many big mistakes.
I honestly kind of refer to this book as the influencer Bible. Like your kind of go-to for everything, whether it's like reading contracts for a brand deal you've gotten, whether it's just cold reaching out to a brand or a company where you're like, hey, I want to go to this, or hey, I want to do that with you, or just kind of teaching you how to proactively pitch yourself so that you're not just like sitting at home waiting for the phone to ring.
Which type of deals are easier to get, which type of opportunities are easier to get, and what to do when problems arise, which is not a topic that comes up very frequently. What do you do if a brand doesn't pay you? You know what I mean? What do you do if a collab goes wrong? There's a whole lot of nuance to becoming a social media influencer that I feel like is best learned from people who have actually done it before, who have actually experienced it.
So yeah, definitely make sure to pre-order our book. Honestly, I feel like this book is like everybody needs it. Even if you're not trying to be an influencer, I feel like this book is so needed. And every time somebody hits me up and they're like, how did you go to this event? I can be like, go read the book, because it's all in there. Exactly how to do it, and you can do it too.
This book took a very long time, and it was such a labor of love, and we actually just submitted some of the final edits, and as I was rereading it, I was like kind of impressed with ourselves, because I was like, this book is actually really good. It's really helpful, it's really entertaining.
And I feel like there's so many like courses out there of like how to be an influencer that are like $1,500, and this is a under $20 book.
Yeah.
So for like less than the price of like 2 to 3 bougie coffees in LA, you're getting the knowledge of like people who have done it.
I feel like a lot of people who try to give advice in this space, they may have built the followers, but they haven't translated those followers into money or opportunities. We're gonna show you how not only to build up an audience, but even if you don't have a big audience, how to maximize your opportunities.
So that was our video. I hope you guys go and pre-order our book. I will link it in the description. I feel so weird to say that. It'll be the top link in the description. Definitely go pre-order it. Like, message me if you end up pre-ordering it.
Attention is the new currency. We'll have it linked below.
And we love you guys. Mwah. And bye guys! Bye.